Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore dan selamat datang di press conference New Technical Advisor Timnas Indonesia. Senang sekali saya Paul Palele bisa sekali lagi bersama-sama Bapak, Ibu, serta rekan-rekan media untuk menyambut kehadiran dari New Technical Advisor Timnas Indonesia. Sudah bergabung juga bersama kami di sini. Selamat sore terutama untuk Ketua Umum PSSI Bapak Erick Thohir. Selamat datang juga untuk Wakil Ketua Umum PSSI Bapak Zainuddin Amali. Dan untuk Sekjen PSSI Bapak Yunus Nusi, selamat datang. And we'd like to welcome the head coach of Timnas Indonesia, Patrick Kluivert and the team. Exco 1 PSSI Bapak Muhammad, selamat datang juga. Dan yang pasti, selamat datang untuk semua rekan-rekan media. Dan tanpa perlu berlama-lama lagi, langsung saja kita saksikan bersama video perkenalan dari the new technical advisor for our national football team. Selamat menyaksikan.
Jordi terminava su palo individual, cruzando la mitad del campo con el balón pegado a los pies, marcaba el segundo gol.
Jordi Cruyff, son of the legendary Johan Cruyff, was born on February 9th, 1974. He began his career at Barcelona and played for major clubs like Manchester United, which led by the legendary manager, Sir Alex Ferguson. Beyond the pitch, Jordi transitioned into coaching and management, leading clubs such as Shenzhen FC and Barcelona. Now, in 2025, he has been appointed as the technical advisor for PSSI. With a modern vision, Jordi is expected to help Indonesia make greater strides in world football. Together with Jordi Cruyff, the transformation of Indonesian football continues for Garuda, rising to the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a big, warm Garuda welcome for the new technical advisor for our national football team, Jordi Cruyff.